Okay, here's a little video to help do the bobbles knitting backwards. You can see here's my last bobble right here, and I have knit my 15 across and I'm ready to do my wrap and turn. So instead of turning my work, I'm going to keep it this way. I'm going to slide that turning stitch back onto my left needle and just pull the yarn over it like that. Just pull the yarn over, and then you have to knit into the back of this stitch and put your yarn around. That's one. Go into the back of the stitch and pull the yarn around. That's two. And go in the back. That's three. Go in the back. That's four. And go in the back. That's five. Whoops, it's almost five. That's five. Now you slip, that's going to be your turning stitch. You slip that back to your right needle, pull the yarn over. That creates your double stitch. And we're going to knit four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is the tricky part again. You slide that stitch back onto your left needle, pull the yarn over, creates your double stitch, and knit into the back of each stitch 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Slide that stitch back onto the right needle, pull your yarn over to create the double stitch, knit 2. 1, 2. We're almost done. Slide that stitch back onto your left needle, pull the yarn over, knit 1. Slide that stitch back onto your right needle, create your double stitch, and you're ready to knit your 15. Your first 3 are the doubles from before. 1, whoop, 1, 2, 3, and then knit 12 more and you're ready for your next bobble. And that's it. Hope this helps.